Good morning. Good morning. Oh, afternoon tea, especially it can be a little louder. I'm sure you must have got lots of calories. So let's try once again. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, that's better, definitely. As you know, my name is Rakesh Sharma. I'm going to give you a brief introduction of mine. I'm a peak performance coach. I'm a peak performance coach, and people come to me when they want to reach the top notch. People come to me when they want to reach the top notch. I'll give you such a wonderful advice. I'll give you such a wonderful advice that you will find yourself healthy, wealthy, and wise. My dear friends, it's all about looking at things differently. If you change the perspective, if you change your view of looking at the things, you become creative. Creativity is not a science as such, or creativity is not the property of only few. I conduct lots of trainings in creativity and innovation. And during the training programs, I generally ask from the people your views about the creativity. And they would come and say, there are creative people and there are non-creative people. I generally ask, who are the creative people? They said, poets are creative. Yes, poets are creative. Filmmakers are creative. Yes, they are. Also, the scientists, the engineers, they are all creative. But we are common people. We come from the corporate world, and in corporate, we have to work as per the process. It's very wonderful. In fact, the life teaches us not to become creative. When we start our life during the early days, we are all very creative. But gradually, we learn not to remain creative. Once, I was in the school, and there was a boy in the art class. This boy picked up some clay and started making something out of it. There was a beautiful girl, a student. She asked him, "What are you making out of this clay?" He said, "I'm making the horse." She laughed at him. He said, "Come on, you are an ass, you can only make an ass out of it." And immediately, this boy threw away the clay and never tried to make anything out of it. This is how we learn not to remain creative. We are taught by our teachers, our parents, our friends, how not to become creative, not to remain creative. And the best thing is that when we join the corporate world, we learn lots of things and lots of reasons and ways how not to remain creative. There was a boss of mine, he was very fond of his ideas. And he would generally say, "Don't use your brain. Do as I am saying. Do as I am saying. Don't use your brain. Don't waste your time." Wonderful. And as I told you, in the corporate world, there is something which is very special. Process. You have to do everything as per the process. Process is a very wonderful thing, let me tell you. In fact, don't take me wrong, I'm not against process. Process has its own meaning and importance in the corporate world. In fact, throughout my life, I have spent lots of years of mine in designing and developing the process of the organization. But process becomes very, very counterproductive to the creativity of the people. How? People teach us. I was working for a call center. I was the operation head over there. And we teach our agents that what to say and what not to say. We also teach them how to smile. So much so. So if you are giving them so much input, then how are they going to use their brain? And if they are not going to use their brain, then how will they remain creative? It's really very wonderful. Let's look at how creative you are. Here's a small question to you all. Just take a minute. Right, the time is up. So how many uses have you written?
It can also act as paperweight when you have papers on the table. Can be used to support the arm by putting it on the side. As a small stick to pull or push certain things from the small area.
Wonderful.
And I've written that it can also be used to wrap some paper or cloth on this and make it as a decoration item.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Any other thoughts? That's
tie a cloth and use it to clean the ceiling.
great.
TV antenna.
TV antenna. Wonderful, wonderful. Of a creative person. There are lots of them. You can quickly go through them and you will find that all of these traits you have or you don't have. All these traits you have or you don't have. These are the various traits. No one over here can say that any of these traits or one of these traits they don't have. Everybody over here sitting have these traits. Maybe they have not used them. Maybe they have not explored them. All the traits are there. And if all the traits all of you have, then why all of us can't be extremely creative? We can all be actually very extremely creative. Here's a wonderful idea which actually took shape and changed altogether the paradigm about this machine. What is this machine? I'm sure you can recognize this. It's a wonderful machine used for lots of good reasons and good causes. The body has to move inside the machine and they get completely horrified and terrified and they start weeping and crying. And it was found that for most of the children, when the scanning was to be done, they would be given the anesthesia. And it was really painful. So the inventor did some jugglery and he became creative and he produced this kind of a machine. Can you see it? Inside, right? And then he will be given all kind of brief about it, some story around it, and he will find a wonderful experience. And also some music around it. And when the entire scanning was over, the child will say to the mom, "Mom, can we come here again tomorrow?" The biggest idea about the creativity is to stay positive. To stay positive. Right? So, आपने सुना होगा, देखा है जिंदगी को हमने भी करीब से, देखा है जिंदगी को हमने भी करीब से, बात बनती नहीं है सिर्फ कुछ नसीब से, होते नहीं अरमान पूरे खोखले इरादों से और चलती नहीं है जिंदगी झूठ भरे वादों से। मंजिल को पाना इतना आसान नहीं है, मंजिल को पाना इतना आसान नहीं है, अरे चलते रहे हैं लोग पर लक्ष्य का ज्ञान नहीं है। भरे पड़े हैं ऐसे भी लोग इस जहान में जो सांस तो ले रहे हैं पर उनमें जान नहीं है। गर करना है चमत्कार कोई तो, गर करना है चमत्कार कोई तो चरित्र को सूरज की तरह से चमकाना होगा और आती जाती सांसों में उत्साह का प्रवाह करना होगा और परिस्थितियां अनुकूल हो कि ना हो, परिस्थितियां अनुकूल हो कि ना हो, दृष्टिकोण को सकारात्मक बनाना होगा, दृष्टिकोण को सकारात्मक।